Everybody loves B-roll, slow motion, shallow depth of field, lens flares, and coffee. So much coffee. Apparently, the moment you buy a camera, you're legally required to film coffee pouring 120 frames per second. And listen, I'm guilty of that too. But here's the problem. Beautiful B-roll does not automatically tell a story. I'm James with Yehagraphy, and today I'm going to show you how to stop collecting random pretty shots and start shooting B-roll that actually tells stories. So before we continue, I just want to ask, if you could kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the like button. This would definitely help this channel grow. So I really appreciate all the likes and all the subscribes, and I look forward to making more. A shot can look incredible and still tell me absolutely nothing. Before you hit record, ask one question. What is this shot telling the viewer? Maybe it's showing the location. Maybe it's showing what someone does. Maybe it's revealing emotion or an important detail. Let's say you're filming a chef. Show me their hands. Them making a recipe they've been cooking for 20 years. And now I'm learning something about them. That's the difference. B-roll doesn't just need to look good. It needs a job. And sure, sometimes you just want the cool shot. I do too. But if every shot exists only because it looks cinematic, you're not telling a story. You're decorating one. Cinematic does not automatically mean interesting. Sometimes blurry lights are just blurry lights. If you want better B-roll of people, stop asking them to stand there and just look natural. The moment you say that, suddenly nobody knows what to do with their hands. Instead, give them something to do. For a chef, cook, artist, create. Filmmaker, change a lens. Business owner, actually work. One real action can give you a wide shot, a medium shot, a close-up, details, reaction. Plus, people look more comfortable because they're thinking about the activity instead of thinking about the camera. Don't make people perform being natural. Give them something real to focus on and capture what happens. Give people something to do, and honestly, suddenly everybody remembers how being human works. Here is one easiest way to make B-roll feel like a story. Don't just film the action. Film what happens before, during, and after. Someone doesn't just drink coffee. They walk into the kitchen, grab the cup, make the coffee, sip, react, and leave. Now we have progression. Do the same thing at a wedding. Don't only get the ring going to the finger, get the anticipation, the ring, and then the reaction. Instead of constantly asking, what other angles can I get? Ask what happens next. That's how you stop collecting random shots and start building sequences. And once you do that, congratulations, maybe your coffee finally has character development. If you're currently thinking about the 17 slow motion shots, coffee shots, sitting in your hard drive, hit the like. No judgment. This is a safe space or a safe place, mostly. It also tells the algorithm that these filmmaking breakdowns are useful. And the algorithm and I are currently trying to rebuild trust.
Connecting to the mainframe now.
The algorithm has finally learned to fold the laundry.
A tiny reaction that nobody else noticed. Close-up tells us what matters. Those details tell audience, look here, this matters. And that's the real skill, noticing them. Don't spend the whole shoot like staring at your subject through the camera. Look around. Watch what they're touching. Watch where they're looking. Watch how people react. Sometimes the story isn't happening in the big moments. It's hiding right next to it. It's hiding right next to it in plain sight. Sometimes the smallest shot does the most emotional heavy lifting. AI can generate B-roll now. Amazing, right? The time we live in. Establishing shots, product shots, environments, transitions. Sometimes things that would have been impossible or really expensive to capture yourself. And that's incredible. But here's the problem. If AI is going to give you unlimited footage, well, depending on how much tokens you have, which footage do you actually need becomes super important. You can generate 50 beautiful shots, again, tokens, but you still have to decide which one belongs in the story. AI doesn't replace storytelling judgment. It makes judgment more valuable. Use AI when it helps you visualize something, solve a problem, or tell the story better. Don't use it just because you can generate more stuff. AI can generate and can create the shot. You decide where it belongs. Here's your challenge. Tell one story using only 6 shots. Shot 1, where? Establish the location. Shot 2, who? Introduce the person. Shot 3, what? Show the action. Shot 4, detail. Show what matters. Shot 5, emotion. Show the reaction. Shot 6, ending. Complete the moment. That's it. Try it. Try with coffee, cooking, packing. I don't know, packing your camera bag, getting ready for work, anything. The limitation forces you to stop asking, what else can I film? And start asking, what does the story actually need? And you don't need an expensive camera, do it with your phone. Because this challenge isn't testing your equipment, it's testing your ability to see. If you can make me care about someone making coffee in 6 shots, you're learning storytelling. So before your next shoot, don't ask, what would look cinematic? Ask, what is happening here? Give people something to do. Shoot before, during, and after. Look for the details and reactions. Use AI when it actually helps. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more practical filmmaking lessons. And comment 6 shots if you're gonna try this challenge. I'm James with Yehagraphy, your friendly neighborhood video dude. And basically, trying to help you tell better stories one frame at a time. And remember, pretty gets attention, story keeps it.